left for Boston when I was just 17. I went to Boston just to find that little piece. I was so blind, oh my God, help me. I went to Boston and I never should have gone. Been alone, Lord, I've been alone. I've been alone, Lord, I've been alone.
Life is short, do it all. Follow the fun and excitement at jumpinraft.com. And make sure to check us out on our Facebook, YouTube, Google+, and Twitter.
Just call 877-YOU-GO-RAFT and talk with one of our friendly, helpful staff about planning your jump and raft adventure.